Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a huge Sephora haul. I've accumulated a lot of products over this last month or so, and then I moved and placed some more orders and shopped in store. So I have a lot of goodies to share with you guys. So if you guys want to see everything that I picked up from Sephora, then just keep watching. Start off with this Sephora Favorites kit. It is a Sun-Kissed Glow set and it goes for $45. You get a bunch of bronzers and highlighters and really pretty products in here for the summertime. So you get a Marc Jacobs highlighter, a Sephora Collection nude lip gloss, a Fenty bronzer, Laura Mercier powder, Artist Couture highlighter, which these highlighters are so blinding, they're my favorite, a Becca highlighter, a full size of the Charlotte Tilbury eye crayon, and a Tarte Sea Glass full-size eye glitter, which I'm wearing on my eyes today. So I think this set is a really good value, and you do get a cute yellow bag in it. So on the inside, I'm just gonna show you a couple of products. This is the full-size Tarte product. It is the Sea Glass eye glitter in the shade Sweet Life. So it's like a champagne glitter, and like I said, I am wearing this on my eyes. I think this is perfect for summertime or for brides. Love doing a little pop of shimmer on the lid. So this full-size product. You also get a Fenty bronzer, and how cute is this? It's such like a little mini baby size. This is in the shade Shady Biz, which is more of a light bronzer. I think this is gonna be better for like paler to light skin tones. I don't know if I could pull this off, but maybe I could try it as like a contour. So I got that in there. And then I'm just gonna show you this Charlotte Tilbury because this is a full size. This is the Champagne Diamonds for blue eyes. I'm sure any eye color could wear this, but it is a really pretty shade. I swatched it right there, so it's like a champagne glitter. I think for like the inner corner, just like a little pop in the inner corner of the eye would be really, really pretty. So I picked up this set. Again, really good value on that. Next, I got a couple of products from Fresh, and I received this free for review from Fresh and Octoly. So this is the Soy Face Cleanser, and this is the 20th anniversary limited edition jumbo size. It is 6.7 fluid ounces. So this is like a limited edition packaging, and this is a really big cleanser. I used this a couple of years ago, but I don't remember how I felt about it, so I'm excited to give it another try. I know it is a gentle cleanser. It's supposed to take off even mascara, makeup, without stripping the skin of essential moisture, and it's good for all skin types. So I'm gonna be trying this and seeing how I like it. Also, I have this from Fresh. It is the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. So it's anti-pollution and age delay. Now this says it helps to smooth, increase luminosity, and protect against pollution and free radicals for younger looking skin. It also has mandarin peel extract to help promote a beautifully uniform complexion. So this is a glass bottle. It's very fancy and bougie, and it smells really nice as well. I think I got a smaller size of this and I did really like it, so I'm excited to have the full size and try out the combination of using this with the cleanser. So thank you to Fresh for sending that over to me. The next thing I got is from Ollie, and you can find this brand at Target and maybe even Walmart too, but these are gummies, and this might be a limited edition one for Sephora, but this is Radiant Sleep for restorative beauty rest. It has melatonin, L-theanine, and botanicals in it, and it's in the flavor Blackberry Zen. So it actually has blackberry, but it also has mint. So these are the gummies right here. It comes with 50 gummies, and I took 2 the other night. I'm not the biggest fan of the taste of these. Mint and berry, it just seems like 2 things that aren't supposed to mix together. So I don't know how I feel about this. The taste kind of just tastes like mouthwash mixed with fruit, and I just don't love the combo. But I'm gonna give this a try because I did feel like I slept better, so we'll see. Maybe I can get over the taste, but I'm just not a big fan of the taste of these. All right, next I got a Chanel fragrance. I almost forgot that I got this. So this is the Chanel Chance Eau Tendre Eau de Parfum. I can never say that right. But I got a fragrance from Chanel, and it smells very fancy and rich and luxurious. So this is what it looks like. I got this when the points were like 4 to 5 times the points around Mother's Day. And yeah, I just love this fragrance. It's one of those fragrances that will last on you all day long. And it just smells rich to me. I can never describe Chanel fragrances, but it just smells rich and fancy, and like I own a yacht and a private island. Like it just smells so fancy. So I love this one, highly recommend going to smell it. They don't have it in the smaller Sephoras, but maybe the bigger Sephoras and like Nordstrom and Macy's. Next, I received this free for review from Octoly and First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration, and this is in the scent Rosemary Mint. So they do have an original which does not have a scent, and it is really good for dry, parched skin, eczema, flaky skin. You can put this on your face and your body, but this one is in the scent Rosemary Mint, which I really, really like. It is very strong, it kind of clears out your nose, but it smells like a spa to me, and I just really like it. It just smells so good. It smells like you're in the middle of a field with a bunch of rosemary. I don't know, it just smells freaking good. So I really like this. It says, helps hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. So I like that they came out with this. They also came out with a cucumber melon one as well, but I like the rosemary mint. Next, I got a product from Badescu because they did start carrying it on Sephora's website. This is the glycolic acid toner. I believe this was only like $10 to $15 for this jumbo size, and it says it is a mild resurfacing toner that brightens and balances skin post-cleanse. Has glycolic acid, grapefruit, and aloe combined in a rejuvenating formula that works to refine pores and diminish the appearance of dry, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Anything that's going to be anti-aging for fine lines, wrinkles, anything that's going to close pores or make them smaller and fix texture, I'm all for. So I picked up this. Hopefully it works really well. I only used it once, so I don't have a strong opinion on it, but it looks really pretty, so hopefully it works. Next, I got this little guy. This is from Invisibobble, and it is Elegant Hair Rings, and these are the slim ones. I really like these. I never use regular elastics anymore. I feel like they pull my hair, so I do really like these. I use them every single day. I'm wearing it in my hair today, and I just love them. I do lose them, not as much as I lose regular elastics, but I do really like these. I would recommend them if you haven't tried them. Next, I got a product from Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil smells so good, and it's one of those products that will last in your hair all day long. Like, you can smell it throughout the day. So this is a dry shampoo. It is the baby size, and this is for light tones. It's good for all hair types, and I just got this because I really like the scent of it, and I've never tried this dry shampoo. So I will keep you guys updated on how I like this, but I just can't get over the scent. I want to spray a little in my hair even though I don't need any right now. Oh, it just smells so good. Now I'm gonna smell like this for the rest of the day, and I love it. I did get a couple of products. I'm pretty sure you cannot find this on Sephora's website, but I did see this at Ulta, so I'm just including it in here just because. But this is from a brand called Naked Skin, and I will link this down below. But this is organic botanicals. These are all like body self-tanners. So this is a Body Bling Instant Shimmer Body Makeup in the shade Medium. You can use this for your face and body. So this is gonna be like a bronzy glow. I definitely need a self-tan. I'm very, very light right now. The next one is a Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturizer, good for all skin tones. I'm gonna be using this for sure. It is a lotion. Usually I use foams, but I'm gonna try this and see how I like it. And then this one is a pre-shower gradual tan lotion. Rinse after 10 minutes. Something like this kind of like sketches me out. I just get like nervous about how it's gonna like blend, but we shall see. So I got all these and a mitt. So thank you to Naked Skin for sending that over. I'm gonna try that probably tonight because I need to self-tan. The next product is from Sephora Collection. This is the Bright Future, and I got this on clearance. It is a skin tint with sunscreen SPF 25. So this was only $2.75, which is why I got it. I thought it was very, very cheap, and I figured why not? It has the SPF in it. I thought maybe in the summertime, something very lightweight and quick, I could put this on. So this is in number 33 Walnut, and this is what it looks like. It is a bit deeper, but honestly, the skin tones that they have aren't the greatest. They don't have the greatest shade range. Crap. So this is Walnut, but I probably could pull this off when I'm self-tanned because it doesn't look too deep. So that's what that looks like. It feels really nice on the skin, and for $2.75, I just couldn't pass it up. I have a product from Kosas, and this is a lip liner. So it's a double-ended lip liner. It is curated nude lipstick and liner. This was on clearance for like $7 or $8, so that's why I got it. And I really love nude lipsticks. So this packaging is really pretty. It's like a light mint. And then you get a lipstick on one side, which is a really pretty like brownie nude. And then on the other side, you do get that lip liner that goes with it. And I just feel like this is like the perfect everyday nude brown. I might even actually get more of these just because they're so affordable. I just feel like that's very affordable for a lip liner. Okay, next thing I have is from The Ordinary, and The Ordinary is a very affordable brand on Sephora's website. This is AHA 30% and BHA 2%. It's a peeling solution. It says it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So this I think was only $9. And this is what the product looks like. So it's supposed to be resurfacing for your skin, skin texture, anti-aging. It's kind of a facial in a bottle. Maybe this could be comparable to the Drunk Elephant baby facial. I don't know, I'm gonna have to test it out. But yeah, I thought for the price, why not try it and see if it works? So this is what it looks like, and we shall see. All right, next I got a couple of products from Dr. Roebucks. You can find this on Sephora's website. So they send me 3 products. They are made in Australia. The first one I have is the Biro. It's a 2-in-1 mask and scrub. It has jojoba beads, peppermint, and kaolin. So this is what it looks like. And I've heard really good things about their products, especially this mask. So this is the packaging. I love how simple it is. And this says it is a cleansing mask and exfoliator all-in-one hydrating package. So I think the packaging of these are so cute because it has a little quote on the inside of all of them that just says that. How adorable is that? So I've heard really good things about this mask and scrub. I'm gonna give it a try. And then we also have the Daintree. So this is an AHA brightening mask. It has caviar lime, kakutu, I don't know how to say that, kakadu. I don't know what I'm saying. Kakadu, plum, and multi-fruit AHA. I don't know how to say that, so please don't make fun of me. So it says, this natural brightening and exfoliating mask will make your skin feel like it's experiencing the powerful healing of our Daintree forest, infused with indigenous ingredients like caviar lime, rich in AHA, and kakuduku plum for a rejuvenating, more even complexion. Oh, I love that. More even complexion is definitely what I need. So I'm gonna be trying this for sure, maybe even tonight. And then this last product is the Perky, which is a collagen boosting serum. It has plant-based squalene, toluene, and hyaluronic acid. I cannot say the names of these ingredients. I'm so sorry. I am not a chemist. But this is a serum. I've tried it once, so I don't really have a strong opinion. I will keep you guys updated on how I like all of these products, but thank you to Dr. Roebucks for sending that over. I just have like a couple of smaller items. First of all, this Sephora Collection Lip Click. If you don't own this, you absolutely need it in your life. It is perfect. It's a perfect lippy for every single day. It looks good on all skin tones, and it's really, really pretty. It's a very natural color. So what you do is you click it up, and it is a shiny finish. So you get a little bit of a glossy finish in there, but it is very, very hydrating and of such a natural, pretty color. So I just feel like this looks good on everyone. Every time someone would come into Sephora and would want like a nudie pink lip, I would always bring them to this and they would always buy it. So definitely would recommend this. Like I said, it looks good on all skin tones. It's just a perfect everyday natural lip color. Maybe I'll put on a little over this because why not? I have to leave for work in like 5 minutes. Isn't that just like, can you even stand that? So I got this, I think it was like $14. And then I just have a couple of minis, so little samples that came in the box. I have the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, really cute packaging on that. I have a little Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, which I really do like this mask, so I'm excited about this. I actually thought this was the moisturizer, and now I'm even more excited that it's the mask. And then I have a couple of products from Dermalogica. So I have the little daily microfoliant, which I have tried and I do really like. And then the special cleansing gel, just little baby sizes of these. And that was everything that I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Sephora haul, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.